tough problem. It looks tough, that's for sure, but I think once I'm done explaining it, you'll see how it's not too bad. So a couple of things about problems like this. First things first, if there's any missing angles, fill those in. And what I mean by that is, see how this is 40 degrees right here? All the angles on a straight line must be 180, so that means that this must be 140. Because 140 plus 40 is 180. And if this is 40, we know that this is 40 just because A, these are vertical angles, and B, these two angles must add up to 180. And then finally, this one must be 140. Second thing you want to know, or you want to keep in mind, is that a shape with four sides, or a quadrilateral, all the angles inside of that must add up to 360. So let's say if I have a shape like this, see how it's got four sides? That would imply that that angle, that angle, that, and that, when I add them, must add up to 360. So let's check that out. So I know that this angle plus that angle right there plus this angle right there must add up to 360. Because that shape right there is kind of like, isn't that shape right there? So we know that four sides, this must add up to 360. So let's rewrite that over here. I know x plus 80 plus y plus 140 must add up to 360. Let's combine the like terms. X plus y plus 220 equals 360. And now it should be pretty easy. The question is saying, what is x in terms of y? Okay, so let's continue with this. Let's combine my like terms a little bit more. Let's bring the 220 to that side, subtract it. Excuse me. X plus y equals 140, right? All I'm doing is just simple algebra, just following along. Now the question is saying, what is x? What is x in terms of y? All that's saying is I just want x by itself, because it's saying what is x. So let's isolate the x. Subtract y on both sides. X will equal 140 minus y. So what is x in terms of y? X is 140 minus y.